that was interesting. I thought to myself, I don't remember that big rock there, that big like mountainous rock. No, you won't do, because it's a ship, you gobshite. Look at that. Bamburgh Castle. Oh, this feels good. Look at that. Surely the most spectacular castle in England. England. Surely. Puffins. Guillemots. You don't normally get that close to a shag. Unbelievable up there how many birds there are. Shocker. Shocker. Inner Farne. Puffins on tops there, there's, I can see at least 50 here. There's the light. Inner Farne light. Oh, we're about a boat's length away from me, these here now. But it's alright because I've got ons like shovels. Ons like shovels. Chip shovels, yeah. Oh, I'm struggling here with this tide. Getting half moving. I've frightened all birds off the Inner Farne pinnacle. Complete with resplendent seabirds. Oh, puffin with his orange feet. Oof, look at that tide, go there. Hey! Eyed a duck. Come here, on some feathers from me duvet. On my pillar top is Brownsman Island and the pinnacles. And they are dead ahead, Captain. And this is the most spectacular bit. Well, I'm going to record this for posterity because this is as calm as it gets here. That's the Inner Farne. I'm about halfway across to Outer Farne. There's a lighthouse on Inner Farne, the old chapel, St Aidan's Chapel. The one where he knocked an hole in the roof so we could see God. I bet he was disappointed there a couple of times when it was raining. Bamburgh Castle. I can't see Holy Island, where's it gone? By the kitty waking now. Bloody hell, these are close here now. That'll get in good. Because it's so easy, it gets done to death. Like the Missouri or Port Davitt, that's the same. Another trip boat coming over, can you hear him? Longston Lighthouse. Puffin out Longston Lighthouse. Go! Oh, he's gone snorkeling. Snorkeling. Sex as it is at Great Run. Carry me around here. Reggie now. Now then. The opposite way now. Christ. This is a calm day as well. Ah, then. Sliding off the kelp. Spooky. Spooky. Bloody hell. It is hot if it's doing that. Find some of the finest diving to be had in all of England. And Wales. And Scotland. There's a sunset boat there. It's absolutely wick with seals. Comes up, has a sniff, and then comes back. You splash the bloody camera, you idiots. Honestly. You cheeky one, him. Handsome lighthouse it is. That's good.